Hi guys, so this is my how-to on how to get to your Google Classroom, which is where you're going to find our weekly lesson plans, and I'll update it every week. Okay, so I've opened my browser. You're going to go to Hello ID from here, and I showed you guys how to sign in there to Hello ID. Once you're on Hello ID, you're going to click on this tile here that says Google Classroom. Okay, I've opened it in a tab already. And then you're just going to go ahead and enter Mrs. Wadley's third grade wonders. And it's just going to be here in our stream. Every Monday, I will post a document right here with the weekly dates. And I'll show you what it looks like if you just click on that. So here's the document. I highlighted, or at the top, I just kind of explained that you can fit this into your week however works for you. If you want to do, if you can't do Mondays and you want to double up on Tuesdays or anything like that, it's absolutely fine. This week, as I explained a little bit earlier, we are starting slow. So the only thing that we're doing is kind of introducing how to do the math. Yesterday, I posted this YouTube video that it refers to here on Monday. If you access this document and just keep accessing it through Google Classroom, all of the links on it will be live. So you'll be able to click on those links, and you can just click on this YouTube link here, and it'll take you to that Pearson YouTube video on how to get to all the math stuff. Then by tomorrow, I'm hoping you guys can actually take some time to do the math video or to watch it, to do some of the reteaching on scratch paper at home, and then turn in that digital quick check. I also put another assignment on there, this one onto Pearson, and Wednesday is when I'm hoping you can go ahead and do that assignment, which is take a look at the vocabulary cards that are for topic 11. There's quite a few, so you may want to break that vocabulary into a couple sessions if you can't just print them. I'm hoping that the students can either print them and cut them out or write down the words and definitions in a notebook maybe, or on some scratch paper that they can refer to later in the topic. Okay, I'll have another video for Thursday where we can go through some guided practice together. And then Friday is just Splash Learn. There are a couple assignments that I have already assigned on Splash Learn. And again, you can get to Splash Learn through Hello ID. And it's this one here. Okay, and I've posted on our class story in Dojo the class code and stuff that you'll need for that. Okay, so there's a couple assignments there, and they also have to do with the geometry that we are learning right now. For reading and writing this week, you can see it's pretty simple. We're not introducing wit and wisdom stuff quite yet. Okay, so we are just going to be reading and responding, and I'll post the assignments so you can respond to me directly on the Class Dojo portfolios. Okay, so that's it. I just wanted to show you guys how to get to our weekly plans. Bye.